have to ask you about Spinraza as well. And just to ask you, do you know that some of those sufferers, the SMA ones, have been hospitalised and have been in intensive care waiting for the decision on Spinraza? When can we expect that?
Yeah, so I am very much aware. I am very much aware of this case. It is obviously a matter for the HSE to follow its own reimbursement processes legally in this regard. But I did meet the HSE on a number of issues recently, and this was one of the issues that I specifically raised with them. I think it is really important that there's real and meaningful engagement here with the drugs company and the HSE. And I know that the Technology Review Group on Rare Diseases is currently working its way through the application. It will then go to the HSE leadership team shortly for a decision as well. So I know this is an issue of significant concern to a number of parents across our country. So it's currently with the Technology Review Group on Rare Diseases. Will then go from there to the HSE leadership team.
Can I just ask you, is that review group, are they updated in terms of, say, the children's conditions, or children who have been hospitalised or in intensive care who are really seriously ill? Do they take that into account in terms of their decision-making process?
They're there to assess the drug and the impact of the drug, but specifically under the idea they were established, I suppose, recognising that there are rare diseases that require greater consideration perhaps than a drug that could benefit maybe a larger cohort of the population, that there are more and more rare diseases in Ireland that new drugs are coming on stream for. But I do need to make the point that it takes two to negotiate. And I do want to make that point strongly. And it's right and proper, absolutely right and proper, Senator, that in this forum you'd apply pressure to myself and the HSE. That's your job to do that. But I would encourage similar pressure to be applied to drug companies as well, because they have the drug. They have the drug that parents believe could make a very big difference to their children's lives. And I do hope if the drug company and the HSE could engage in a very meaningful manner on this, we can try and make progress.
I do think it's very important as well that there's proper negotiation around the price at a very early stage.